Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet H. This is letter H. First row, standing line. Second row is standing line. Third is sleeping line. First row is standing line. Second row is standing line. Third row is sleeping line. H is ready. First standing line. Second sleeping line, third standing line, first standing line, second standing line, third is sleeping line. E is ready.
Third row is sleeping line. H is ready. One standing line, second standing line, third is sleeping line. H is ready.